Today, we're going to teach you how to withdraw money from Binance to PayPal. I will guide you through it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Binance account. Once you're in, navigate to your wallet. Step 2. In your wallet, locate the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Click on Withdraw. Step 3. Now, you'll need to enter your PayPal email address. Make sure it's accurate, as this is where your funds will be transferred. Step 4. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Double-check the details to ensure everything is correct. Step 5. Confirm the withdrawal. You may be asked to go through additional security measures like two-factor authentication. Step 6. Once confirmed, your funds will be on their way to your PayPal account. The processing time may vary based on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from Binance to PayPal. Remember, always consider the transaction fees and check your PayPal account for the incoming funds. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides. Until next time, happy trading!